I was thinking about this earlier. How people always say that when you're in a relationship, everybody wants you. For some reason, you just become more attractive when you're in a relationship. But when you're single, nobody really cares about you, nobody wants you. And it got me thinking that is the same way with our relationship with God. When we are in a relationship with God, when we follow Jesus, when we put our faith in Him, the devil will try everything to separate you from the love of God, to convince you that there is no God, to convince you that Jesus didn't die for us on the cross. He will do everything in His being to get us from the love of God. But when we are in the world, when we are living a sinful life, when we don't even want to get close to Jesus, when we don't care about Jesus, that's when He leaves us alone. That's when He doesn't care about us because He has you where He wants you to be. So yeah, get into that relationship with Jesus. Put your faith in Him. Believe in what He did for you on the cross. And when the devil comes with his tactics, you will stand firm in Jesus and He will rebuke the devil. And remember, no matter what comes your way, that Jesus loves you.